A New York jury has found Harvey Weinstein guilty of 2 out of the 5 counts in his weeks-long rape trial. The disgraced Hollywood film producer was found guilty of third-degree rape and first-degree criminal sexual act. He was found not guilty of the most serious charges of predatory sexual assault and first-degree rape. The jury of 7 men and 5 women at the New York Supreme Court took 5 days to reach their verdict, after weeks of graphic testimony which included stories of oral sex, rape, masturbation, and lewd propositions. 6 women testified at the trial that he had sexually assaulted them, though the criminal charges were in connection with just 2 women. While Weinstein did not testify, his lawyer said that any sexual contact with the accusers involved in the case were consensual. He denies all allegations of non-consensual sex. Weinstein will still face charges in Los Angeles after dozens of women have come forward with allegations against the 67-year-old, which sparked the Me Too movement. Back in December, a potential new settlement for dozens of Harvey Weinstein's accusers has sparked outrage, stemming from the fact that the disgraced Hollywood mogul would not have to admit any wrongdoing, and that the settlement would be paid by the Weinstein Company's insurance, not Weinstein himself. And legal expert Allison Treasel joined Access Daily to break it down.
Okay, so some of the women have accepted the settlement. Why would anybody take this settlement?
Okay, this is not a done deal. And I understand you're saying, wait a minute, he doesn't have to admit guilt and he's not even paying for it? Why in the world? Here's the thing, okay? There is a criminal case that's going to come down the road, so he cannot admit guilt at this stage in a civil case. It'd be used against him in a criminal case, okay? There's insurance there. There's talk of filing for bankruptcy. These women, some of their cases are really, really old, so you worry that they're going to get nothing if they go to trial, and there's talk of him filing for bankruptcy. So, and some of them have said, look, the system is flawed. This may be a flawed settlement.
Might be all I get,
but it may be all I get to, and it's in a civil suit, all you get is money. That's what you get.
How is the civil different than the criminal coming up?
So that's him going to prison, right? That's him going to prison. Kit, did you see that his bail was raised to $5 million? So he walks in with this, like, cane and a walker, and the judge's like, no, we're not doing that, Harvey. Don't pull that. We're not doing it. He's been out on $1 million and an electronic monitor. The prosecution said, you have tried to do something with that monitor 47 times, sir. Judge, this guy's trying to break out. Judge ups his bail to $5 million.
What is he facing in the criminal trial?
So if he gets convicted in New York because of this predator charge, life in prison. But also, by the way, California, Los Angeles, Jackie Lacey, the DA, she's assigned a special task force to see if any additional charges against these Hollywood execs, including Harvey Weinstein, can go forward.
How do you see it playing out?
I do think he's going to get convicted. I really do. My heart breaks for these women. The idea that this person, if he did this to them, does not admit guilt and he doesn't actually pay for it, it's painful. But what do you do? Because they may get nothing. They may get nothing.